Welcome back to Silent Stories. Today is Air Condition Appreciation Day. Air condition has a huge impact on our daily lives. It provides comfort. This can have a significant impact on mental health. Extreme heat can cause irritability, anxiety, and stress. When a comfortable temperature is maintained, this reduces the negative emotions and promote relaxation, comfort, and improve sleep quality, which is important for our mental well-being. During heat wave, air conditioning can be a life savior because it provides a cool haven that helps people cope with the heat and feel more calm and focused.